My experience at EMBA has allowed me to get the academic tools that I needed to become a very strong, competent physician leader towards the future. But the part that I didn't expect that probably is the strongest asset is the connection and networking you make with people. My favorite thing about the EMBA program by far is the people. The faculty members here are excellent. They have real life experiences, not just from teaching books and theories. And the classmates, it's unbelievable, just the amount of talent and life experiences. You're not gonna get that anywhere else. Right now, I'm working with a few classmates doing a startup. And a few years ago, that would have been beyond my imagination, and here I am. What the Rutgers EMBA has allowed me to do is to figure out, in a world of opportunities, how to partner with the right people at the right time and quickly learn the right material so that you maximize your potential and your time. Otherwise, you're going to be chasing your tail. As Rutgers EMBA will give you the tools to figure out exactly where to go after. Definitely after being here, I am not only credible, but I'm highly, highly sought after.